Hello and welcome. In an effort to showcase more of Doha and Qatar, Qatar Airways offers tours for travelers with layovers of 8 hours or more in the city. These tours aim to introduce various aspects of Qatar's culture, economy, infrastructure, features, safety measures, and history. Guided by English-speaking tour guides, passengers travel comfortably and safely aboard buses. To book a tour, passengers can make reservations online in advance based on their availability upon arrival in the city. Upon landing, they should arrive at the front desk located near the Lamp Bear by Urs Fischer at least 2 hours before the tour departure time. Here, participants gather and go through a series of processes, including a brief waiting period. The initial destination on the tour is the Museum of Islamic Art. Although the museum might not be open during certain hours, such as when this tour takes place at night due to flight layovers, it provides a distinctive chance to behold the stunning Doha skyline, aglow with its illuminated skyscrapers. Passengers can capture photos and videos swiftly to create enduring memories. The second destination is the Corniche area, providing a closer vantage point to admire the city's skyscrapers. Here, passengers can gaze in awe at iconic buildings like the Mana building and the Doha Tower along the street side. Our next stop takes us to Katara Cultural Village, a collection of strikingly modern structures sponsored by the Qatar Foundation. Here, you'll find a blend of shops, dining options, entertainment venues, offices, and some intriguing structures that double as dovecots, serving as homes for pigeons. One of the highlights is the open-air amphitheater, where opera performances and a renowned festival of this art form take place. What's remarkable about its construction is the use of a special stone that helps maintain a moderate temperature, making it a pleasant escape from the scorching Qatari summer. Speaking of which, during our visit, the temperature in Qatar soared to 36 degrees Celsius, with high humidity. The final leg of our tour takes us to the bustling Souq Waqif commercial district. This place has undergone a remarkable transformation, preserving its classic architectural charm while infusing a touch of modernity, making it a magnet for both tourists and locals. Even though it was summer and well past 10 in the evening, the pedestrian streets were still bustling with activity. Many of the shops selling textiles, clothing, spices, shoes, perfumes, incense, and more were closing up for the night. However, several restaurants offering a variety of local delicacies remained open, enticing visitors with the flavors of Qatar. While not captured in the video, from this spot, you can catch a glimpse of the iconic Fanar building, a center for Islamic education and other educational pursuits. Its distinctive spiral design comes alive at night with captivating lighting. You'll also notice the Pouce sculpture by César Baldaccini, serving as a prominent meeting point in this public space, adding an artistic touch to the surroundings. Although not featured in the video, we made a stop at the location of the Doha Parliament. Here, you can see camels exclusively reserved for royalty and parliament members. The avenues here host grand parades, with reserved seating for high-ranking government officials and dignitaries. It's a testament to the grandeur and tradition of this remarkable country. If you have the opportunity to visit Qatar, whether it's due to a layover of more than 8 hours or as your final destination, embarking on a tour like this is well worth it. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the country's culture and expand your knowledge. In the video description, you'll find a link to the website where you can learn more about these activities. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and share.